Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every tabletop RPG enthusiast should consider adding to their collection, the CASEMATIX Miniature DM Screen. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CASEMATIX Miniature DM Screen? This is a compact, 6-panel DM screen designed specifically for tabletop role-playing games. Standing at just 6.75 inches tall, it provides a unique low-profile design that enhances player connection without sacrificing the privacy and immersion you need as a game master. Now, let's talk about the standout features. The first thing you'll notice is its premium faux leather construction, which not only looks elegant with its subtle D20 pattern but is also durable enough to withstand countless game nights. The screen folds down to a mere 6.75 by 5.75 by 1.75 inches, making it ultra-portable. Whether you're heading to a friend's house or a local gaming cafe, this DM screen fits easily into any bag, saving you valuable space for your other gaming essentials. Another notable feature is its versatility. The screen includes 6 clear panels that are wet erase compatible, allowing you to organize your notes, maps, and quick references effectively. Each panel is designed to accommodate 4 by 6 inch papers or index cards, making it easy to customize your screen for any session. Plus, since there are no printed references or inserts included, you have the freedom to tailor it to any tabletop RPG system you're using. You can easily print out cheat sheets or other game materials to fit your specific needs. This product is ideal for game masters who want to maintain an engaging atmosphere during their sessions. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go adventurers, whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the world of tabletop RPGs. The CASEMATIX Miniature DM Screen is especially suitable for those who value player interaction and want to keep the flow of the game without the distraction of a bulky screen. In practical use, you can imagine this screen enhancing your gaming experience as you set up your campaign. Picture yourself at the table, easily flipping through your notes while maintaining eye contact with your players. The low profile keeps everyone engaged, making it easier to foster that immersive storytelling experience we all crave during our RPG sessions. Overall, the CASEMATIX Miniature DM Screen is a stylish and functional addition to any tabletop gamer's toolkit. Its combination of portability, elegance, and versatility makes it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their game nights. Thanks for watching.